I have the Samsung Galaxy S23 and I'll be showing you how to recover deleted voice recordings. So in the main voice recorder app for your Galaxy S23, you can actually go to list. If you tap on list, you can actually find voice recordings and delete them. So for instance, if you touch and hold that one, you have the option to delete. And when you delete, it goes into the recycle bin. So anytime you tap on the delete icon, it asks if you want to move to recycle bin. And that basically means there's a recycle bin or for the voice recorder. So anytime you want to recover a deleted voice recording, then you can go back to the main homepage and then tap on the three dots in the top right corner. And then you'll see recycle bin and settings. Tap on recycle bin. Okay. And here you can find all your voice recordings. But there's only one caveat. These recordings must have been deleted not more than 30 days ago. Because you see, items in the recycle bin will be permanently deleted after 30 days. So if 30 days have elapsed, then you might not be able to recover these deleted voice recordings. But as long as you're within the 30 days grace period, simply tap on a voice recording. You can listen to it, and then you can touch and hold it and tap on restore to take it back to the list of voice recordings. And it's as simple as that. Now, in case you find that your voice recordings, every time you delete them, they're not being sent to the recycle bin and you're unable to recover them, that might mean that you've not enabled the recycle bin. So what you need to do is tap on the three dots and then go to settings. And under settings, make sure you're looking for the option to the recycle bin option. Make sure the recycle bin is enabled, because if it's disabled like that, then any deleted voice recordings are going to be sent. They're going to be deleted permanently as soon as you delete them. But with the recycle bin enabled, you can actually see that deleted items are going to be kept for 30 days before they're actually permanently deleted. So that's basically how to recover deleted voice recordings in your Samsung Galaxy S23. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.